Hello, and welcome to our video on 5 tricks to take incredible photos with your smartphone. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or just looking to improve your mobile photography skills, this video is for you. We understand that not everyone has access to professional cameras, but with these simple tricks, you can capture stunning photos with your smartphone. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Trick 01. Understand lighting. The first trick to taking great photos with your smartphone is to understand lighting. Lighting can make or break a photo, and it's important to know how to use it to your advantage. When taking photos outside, try to avoid direct sunlight as it can create harsh shadows and make your subject look unflattering. Instead, look for areas with diffuse or soft light, such as in the shade or during golden hour. If you're taking photos indoors, try to use natural light sources such as windows or open doors. You can also experiment with using artificial light sources such as lamps to create interesting effects. Trick 02. Use composition techniques. Composition is another important aspect of photography, and it's essential to know how to frame your subject. One simple composition technique is the rule of thirds. Imagine your photo is divided into a 3x3 grid, and place your subject at the intersections of the lines. This creates a more balanced and visually appealing photo. You can also experiment with different angles, such as shooting from a low angle to create a sense of height or shooting from above to create a flat lay. Trick 03. Adjust exposure and focus. Most smartphone cameras allow you to adjust exposure and focus manually. This is important because it allows you to control the brightness and sharpness of your photos. To adjust exposure, simply tap on the screen where you want the camera to focus, and then swipe up or down to adjust the exposure. To adjust focus, tap and hold on the screen where you want the camera to focus until the A/AF lock icon appears. You can then adjust the focus by swiping up or down. Trick 04. Experiment with editing. Editing is a great way to enhance your photos and make them stand out. There are plenty of editing apps available for smartphones, and most of them are free. Some popular editing apps include VSCO, Lightroom, and Snapseed. When editing your photos, try to avoid over-editing and stick to simple adjustments such as brightness, contrast, and saturation. Trick 05. Get creative with accessories. Lastly, you can take your smartphone photography to the next level by using accessories such as lenses and tripods. There are plenty of affordable smartphone lenses available on the market, such as wide-angle lenses and macro lenses. Tripods are also a great accessory to have, especially if you're taking long exposure or time-lapse photos. We hope these tips have been helpful in capturing amazing moments with your smartphone. Remember that practice makes perfect, so try these tricks out and discover what works best for you. Don't forget to have fun and explore your creativity when taking photos. And don't hesitate to share your masterpieces with the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.